Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken pot pie. First, gather your fresh ingredients, prepare the chicken and vegetables, then craft a rich, creamy filling. Finally, assemble the pie with a flaky crust and bake it to golden perfection. This classic comfort food is easier to make than you think and incredibly satisfying for any meal. To create the heart of your pot pie, begin by cooking your chicken until it is tender, then shred it into bite-sized pieces. Next, sauté your favorite diced vegetables, such as carrots, celery, and peas, until they are slightly softened. Prepare a creamy sauce by making a roux with butter and flour, then gradually whisk in chicken broth and a touch of cream until it thickens. Combine all these delicious elements for your filling. Now it is time to assemble your masterpiece. Carefully line a 9-inch pie dish with one pie crust, ensuring it fits snugly. Pour your rich, creamy chicken and vegetable filling evenly into the crust. Then, gently place a second pie crust over the top. Crimp the edges of both crusts together to seal the pie, and remember to cut a few small vents in the top crust to allow steam to escape during baking. Bake your chicken pot pie in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the filling is bubbly, typically for 40 to 50 minutes. Once baked, let it cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This helps the filling set. Serve your warm, comforting pot pie and enjoy. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.